9:34. I will show you later. Some of you took this trade. It's beautiful. 9:34 right here. You will see how at the 5-day moving average, once we retested it, orange algorithm started building liquidity, isn't it? So this became an absolutely beautiful trade. It got complicated once the magenta appeared, which we charted it as well, because this magenta saved you from this particular engulfing candle here. Penny perfect. And so you see, this is the demand that we extract from ourselves when we chart the algorithms. Penny perfect. Sometimes it's penny perfect, most times it is. And that's the type of precision you must demand from yourself when you're day trading, right? As much as you can. But otherwise, this magenta, we got it. We identified this just a couple of minutes before that, right? I identified the magenta at this candle here. So magenta was identified here. And this orange was identified as early as 9:35 a.m. right here. So this was absolutely beautiful. If you missed the early orange, and just take a look, it was absolutely beautiful. We already identified the orange that was building liquidity. But if you are not confident to take this, that's fine, right? Because this revealed to us that very strong selling precision, or even that green, and the green became more relevant after which. And thereafter, you could have taken that beautiful drop off that break because that green existed. Now, remember, watch this morning's live stream again. Link is in the description. I talked about joining in the stronger seller, and it appeared in this green. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, it doesn't matter if you miss this because you have the algorithms. Why are you worried? All you got to do is to plan ahead for the trade once you have the next setup ready. And that is right here. 10:04. We already got it ready. 10:04. Now 10:04 was about here once the drop happened, right? About here. This was 10:04 a.m. Right, you can see it here, time stamped. So Discord members, just check it back so you can tally the analysis. It will make more sense to you. Right, that's what you need to be doing. That's why I'm sharing the timestamp here. All right, 10:04.